In today's video I'm going to show you how to debloat and shrink Windows 11 22H2V1 update, the October update. So what you need is Rufus to get the update, the ISO and the Win shrinker and the toolkit. Don't need that. So what you need to do first is open Rufus, make sure to get the latest. And you're thinking like, how the hell does he have that? You want to go here and then go to check for updates, select the daily default and then include beta versions. Yes, check now. No new versions of Rufus was found, so what you want to do now is go to select and look for download, click download, click continue. This is only for Windows 11, so I'm not going to go through all of them. And then select what version, update version you want. You want the latest one, 22H2, because they've made something different for the toolkit now. You have to do it reverse, so instead of having to use Win reducer first, you have to do it through toolkit, then Win reducer last. So what you want to do is click continue and then select Windows Home, Pro, Education, just the only ones they have. It's going to ask you for language. I'm English, so that's all I need. There's other languages. Click continue. And then there's 64-bit architecture. There's no 32 because Windows 11 don't support 32-bit. You could download through browser if you want, a quicker download. Then now you want to click out. When you got the ISO onto the desktop, what you want to do is open Win Shrinker and then go to toolkit, don't know why I went in there, and then DVD, and then drag this into here, and then what you want to do is extract it here and then drag it out again. Now what you want to do is go back and then go to start and then go to A and then click enter, and what you want to do is press 1 again and click 7 if you want the Windows 11 Pro N version, so it's more debloated when you debloat it. So you want to click 7, click enter, N, so N stands for no. It's going to mount it now. Now that it's done mounting, you want to click 3 and then click 3 again and click Y, then click 1, click enter, then click 1 and then 1 again. Yeah, it's a bit complicated. You just click 3, 3Y, 1, enter, 1, 1. Now what you want to do is select what you want to deselect. So I'm going to click all of these. Beware, if you're going to make a clean version of Windows 11, you need a browser on the memory stick with the Windows installation. It won't fuck it up, so you don't have to worry about that. So you want to go back, which is X, and then 2, which is multimedia, and then click 1. And then look for stuff you want to keep. So I don't want to keep any of that. 3. Don't want to keep any of that. Don't need it. And then click 1. Sometimes it's A or 1. So I don't need any of that. This is just fully debloating stuff I don't need. Click X. Don't need. No, not X. 5. Click A because I don't need any of that, and then 6 is the stuff that you need to look out for now, because if you don't have the stuff that you need, your OS is going to be pretty much useless. Now you want to do is click 1 to deselect everything. So what you will need is O, which is Windows Defender. With Windows Defender you might have to come back after selecting all the others. It deselects itself for some reason. Then you want T for Windows Firewall, so you want to be safe. Then you want to go back, and then click 7, then click deselect all, which is A, and then click enter. If you want to keep your Xbox stuff, just click the numbers for it. I don't need to because I don't use Xbox. So 17, File Explorer. What else? Windows, anything? Windows Defender app, 39. If you cheat on any games and you don't want all the antivirus stuff, just don't select it, and then when you install it, you've got no antivirus stopping you, the Windows Defender stuff. And you can remove the firewall if you don't want it, so you don't get stuck by other things. And I think that's it from that. So you want 7, no, 8. And then these are all the stuff that you might recognize. For me, I use VLC, so I don't need to use any other stuff. And then what do I need to select? So I need to select paint because I screenshot stuff and crop them. But you could download paint from the Microsoft store, so you don't have to worry about that. So actually I might deselect it, so there's no point in having it. I don't think there's anything in here, so I might have to recheck in a minute just in case I missed some stuff. So click X, click 7 again, so nothing in here, and then 6. Notepad, so everyone needs Notepad. So as you can see, I have to put Windows Defender in again because it unselected for some reason. I don't know if that's a bug with toolkit, but if he sees this, yeah, that's a bug you need to fix. So that's it. All the others are just fully deselected, and then you want to go back and then click 2, and it should start cleaning and get rid of all the stuff you deselected. It won't touch the stuff that you selected, so I'll be back in 2 seconds. As I'm waiting, I'm going to talk to you what they've added. In the latest feature update, they added tabs to File Manager, or not File Explorer. So if you come here, you can add tabs, so that can help you out. And they also added their own editing software, so I might use this instead of Premiere Pro this time. And if you need snipping tools here as well, I don't think you can get rid of this, so that's a good thing. So yeah, now it's removing package files. If this comes up, don't worry about it. I don't know why this is happening, but it's happened before, so just click continue. Now that it's done, click continue, and then you want to go back again, and then click 5. You don't need to integrate anything, to be honest. You might want to integrate, what can you integrate? 3. You can integrate Microsoft Visual C++ runtimes. So if you need that, just click P. But I'm not going to do it because I can install it manually. So let's go back. And updates you don't have to worry about. There is an error code if you take long or do it differently, but you can fix that by, there's videos out there. I might do a video if I come across it, and I might do a video after I've installed Windows, because I'm gonna reinstall Windows anyway. So click X and then click 5, and then what you want to do is click 2. Do you want to trim the unselected? Yes. So what that's doing is getting rid of all the other windows and leaving Windows Pro N. And it's, do you want to clean up image folder? Yes. So it makes it all clean and less cluttery. So while it's doing that, I'm going to open Win Reducer and then Windows 10 Reducer, click No, click OK. If you get it for the first time, it's going to give you a few tabs that you have to turn off and on. Up here, there's usually a tab, not this tab, but like when you first open it, you turn it on because it's got like 7-zip, everything else. And then underneath it, you turn everything off and then click download. And then it should come up with this page here, convert, open and everything. Now it's compressing, which takes 2 seconds, 16 threads, CPU. Got Ryzen 7 3700X, so that's going to be quick. May depend on your CPU. So now what you want to do is go here and click open. Then go to desktop. Select install.wim, you want to convert it to ESD, and then select what version, so I'll choose that one, Windows 11 Pro N, and then convert. This should take less time because it's only one, not all of them, as you saw earlier. Now what you want to do is convert. If you want to get rid of the Wim version, then click that straight after, but if you want to get rid of it manually, then do what I do in a minute. Now that it's done, click OK, click exit. Yes, I'm sure to exit. And then what you want to do now is go back and then go to toolkit, go to DVD, go to sources, and as you can see, it's only like a few files. And here there's the one we just done, and here's the other one before we compressed it. What you want to do is delete that one. So once you got rid of that one, you want to click rename it to Wim. And then click 1, select, and click 1 again, and then click N for N again, and then click continue. So you want to click 5, 2, yes. Then click continue, then 6, and then make a ISO image. Clean Windows. Wait there. Clean Win 11. And then call it same again, clean Win 11. So all that error stuff, let that happen, just follow what I do, and as you can see it worked. And now you want to do is come here, go back, go to ISO, and voila, the file is 3.3 gigabyte. It was 2.7, 2.8. That's because I don't know why it done that, but as you can see, it went from 5.4 to 3.3. So if we check now, 3.2. So it's even lower. And that is how you debloat Windows 11 latest version. If you get any errors updating, there are videos out there to help you, but if I come across it, I will try and record it if I can. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe. Hope this helped in some way. If you want my version, then I'll leave it in a mega download in a link. Thanks for watching. Peace.